Looks like it's time to put these old snow tires back on the wife's car. Oh, so much for using it as a tool table. Can't have enough tool tables, I guess. Unfortunately, I used one of those as a spare tire. Oops, let's get this back up. For the Furious. Amazingly enough, it has the same bolt pattern. Be trying a new impact I just picked up here, also on Amazon. I got it as a bare tool. This one finally gave up the ghost. It still kind of works, but I don't think it's putting over 200 foot-pounds of reverse torque on that thing. But it's gave me a good 10 years, so I can't complain. I'll see what this one does. Yeah, it's a bit chilly here. It's coming. The snow's coming. Didn't even have to look. So I like about these key members, just a lot to grab anything from under there on the key member and it'll lift up just fine. Pardon the finger. That's right. On this one, it's left-handed thread, so I was actually tightening it right now. There we go. Lefty tighty, righty loosey on this one. Fun stuff. What a mess, I'll tell you what. Oh, look at that, another tool table. I don't know how you guys video with one hand. It's crazy. You can barely do one thing at one time. Get this fired up. Oh. Get some air to that. Oh, where's that? Here it is. My hubcap. Hose dealy whomper. mess. I gotta clean this stuff one of these days. Let's get that wheel on here. I actually gotta take the air out of it. Take the Schrader valve off. Jump under here. That's no good. Alright. See, there's enough air in there to knock this loose. Yep. There it is. Alright. I got the tire broken down. Let's set this deal here. It's kind of fun doing that with one hand. That was a huge pain in the butt. Anyways. There you go. That's how you do it. Oh, let's balance this bad boy. See what we got. Jam and Christmas. That's 1 ounce. We need an ounce. It's 1 ounce. That's for a different kind of a wheel though. It's for a standard steel wheel, non-mag. There you go. That's what we need. That jobby right there. Let's see where we're at. Right there. I think it's right there. Yep. Stay. Alright, 12 o'clock. Get it? Zeros. Excellent. Sweet. Well, I got half of it done. 2 more. That thing works freaking awesome. I think I paid I don't remember, it was like 1 and some change, maybe 1.5 for the bare tool. 2 hits and these things were out. Pretty nuts. So I gotta do these things I like to pick both sides up at once on these little teeny cars, unibody junk. Put the drive, the regular tire on here. Got the snow tire back. So should be done here pretty soon. And just like that, we're done. The snow tires on the wife's car. So this one, I don't know, man. Might be a little chilly to work on this. I don't have that much shop space right now. So I'll probably work on this later. Have a good one.